I'm just taking out from Tavleen's question, I'm really going to pin you on to that. And that is that, as Indians, we are great believers in religion, faith, call it what you will. We also have spiritual leaders like you. But today, all of our religion is being politicized. So do you think that you're abrogating your responsibility in not speaking about it? You're even giving away your constituency.
Did I not speak about it? What is this?
No, you didn't. You didn't really
Tell
say
me,
that.
what should I speak?
Yeah, no, but really that should our spiritual leaders jump into the fray and tell politicians, this is not the religion that is ours, and you stay out of it, because this is really not what religion or faith is about.
What makes you think it's not being said?
It's not being said.
You want me to say it on a microphone? No, when you want somebody to receive something, you have to tell them in a certain way, the way they get it, and it is being said. What makes you think it's not said? Wherever there's an opportunity, I'm definitely saying it, 100%. And anyway, we must understand this. You said we are great believers in religion and faith. No, we are not. This is what I'm trying to tell you. You must understand, if you travel 50, 100 kilometers in this country, people look different, dress different, speak different, eat different. But for over 10,000 years, we called ourselves a nation, though there were over 200 political entities at certain times. Even people from outside this land also recognized as one nation, though there are many kings ruling this. What is it do you think it made us a nation? We look different, everything is different. Normally, nations are always made on the basis of sameness. We are one nation who defeats the definition of a nation. The reason why we always experienced ourselves as one nation and people saw us as a strange land of people is because we were not believers. We did not have a God, we were seekers. This was strange for the rest of the world. So they said, this is strange, lot of people. So, the reason why we stayed together, because of the spiritual thread of seeking, that our aspiration is freedom and liberation, not God. So we have never been great believers and of faith. We have always been a debate. Just look at the so-called scriptures of India, full of debates, isn't it? There is no, what do you say?
There is no final word.
There is no commandment. No God in this country or those who believed are godly or divine could ever give a commandment. Look at Krishna's plight, that man is asking 1,000 questions.
Except, if I may say so, some Asaram Bapu.
I don't know, I have not met the man, so I don't like to…
Or messenger of God.
No, from my own experience of life, I'm sorry I'm saying this. From my own experience of life, in these 35 years that I have stood up to do what I am doing, I don't go by the media reports because I know what's been said about me. And I have not met the man, so I don't want to make a judgment, but the law, there is a law. If somebody is committing a crime, let it take its process. So their people came and approached me, you must say something. Other people came and approached, you must put this down. I said, why will I say anything against him or for him? Because I don't know the guy. If I know you, I'll say, okay, Shekhar is like this, why are you doing this to him? I don't know the man, I don't know what the hell is doing.
Don't tell anybody the truth.
No, I'm going to tell them, he's talking off the cuff, but he doesn't even have a cuff. I'm the one who has large cuffs.